Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So today we'll be doing the breakdown analysis of what? Of VIX 25. Guys, as always, when we analyze, what do? We start from the higher time frames to the lower time frames, right? So that we can get a clear picture of the market where the overall direction is heading, right? So for making entries, you can start from the smaller time frames to the higher time frames. In short, when you analyze or when you are about to enter a trade, you don't just focus on a single time frame, but you need to check different time frames so that you can have many confluent, right? So that you can be able to take a trade, right? So another important thing when you analyze, simplicity is the key. Always guys, you should keep your analysis as simple as possible, right? So coming to the chart, what do? You identify all the previous support and resistance, all the obvious support and resistance in your chart. I'm on the day one time frame, right? I'm identifying all my previous support and resistance, because us as swing traders, we believe that the market move from one level to another, right? Okay, now on a 1 day time frame, I'm done identifying all my previous support and resistance. Okay, if you can check here, point 43341 was what? Was our resistance level before. Now it is what? It is our support level, because if you can check here, the previous daily candlestick, this arrow previous daily candlestick, it managed to break above that resistance line. So if a resistance line is broken, that resistance line is no longer a resistance, but it is what now? It is a support. And then at a support, what do? We look for buy opportunities. So that's why it's very important to also consider the price action. When the market is approaching or is at a level, you need to check what? You need to check the price action, what prices are telling you, because at that point there are two things involved. It's either the market at this point, it's either the market might come at 471146 on day one, or if it reversed, it will come to where? It will come to 420392, right? So always when the market is at a level, there are two things involved. It's either the market will continue with the trend or the market will reverse the trend. So it's very important to check the price action, so that you will be able to know whether to buy or sell, right? So now I will switch to where? I will switch to 4-hour time frame. Then on 4 hour, if you can check the trend on 4 hour is bullish, right? The trend on 4 hour is bullish. Even on 4 hour, I'm also identifying all my previous support and resistance, right? Okay, if you can check, if you can remember, on day one there is a breakout, right? There is a breakout on day one. Okay, if you can check here, .432858 was what? Was our resistance, right? And then this arrowed candlestick, it managed to broke above that resistance line. So that resistance line now is no longer a resistance. In fact, it's now what? It is a support, because if you can check here, there was a breakout and then prices now are coming for what? Are coming for retest. So I'm expecting prices to do what? I'm expecting prices to also continue with what? With this trend. I'm expecting prices to continue with this trend. I think now it's a beginning of what? I think now it's a beginning of what? Of an impulsive move. Because remember, in a market we have two types of movement. It's either we have the correction move and the impulsive move. And remember, the impulsive move is always greater than what? It's always greater than the correction move. That's why you find my arrows, this arrow, it is greater than what? It is greater than 44071. So at this point, you will be checking the reversal patterns, or the reversal candlestick patterns. They are the one who should tell you now to buy or wait. So you need to check what? You need to check the reversal candlestick. You all know what are the reversal candlestick. So I'm still waiting for my confirmation, but yeah, VIX 75 it will likely to VIX 25 it will likely to continue with what? To continue with this trend, maybe up until I'm expecting VIX 25 to continue with this trend up until 443801. I'm expecting prices to come here, because this is the resistance way on 4 hour. So I'm expecting prices to continue with what? To continue with the trend. As I said before, there are many ways to trade support and resistance, but the one that I do prefer is to trade the breakout and the retest. When trading the breakout and retest, is like you are following the trend, right? So when trade the reversal, is like you predict that there will be a new trend. So there are many ways to trade what? Support and resistance, but the way that I do prefer the most is to trade what? Is to trade the breakout and the retest. It's very, very simple and straightforward.